Welcome to Tech with Rye. We're going to take a look at a video here I have of cleaning my PC. I use an air compressor to do this once every 3 to 6 months roughly. I do have small dogs and animals in my house, so things do get a little bit hairy. I just want to show you just a little bit of what I do. So this is the inside of my PC. We have an R9 Fury Ryzen 1700. 16 gigs of 3200 DDR4 RAM. I believe I have 5 fans in there. 240 millimeter radiator setup for the water cooling on the CPU. It's actually a great water cooler. It's AIO. It's great. So here I usually take the air compressor and go around the inside and the back of the fans and try to get into the power supply here. I usually stick something kind of small to stop the fan from spinning in the power supply when I blow it out, so that it's not wearing out the fans too quickly. And I usually do the same throughout. Now I don't give this like a Tech Yes City kind of cleaning like he does, where he wipes everything down with alcohol wipes and uses WD-40 to clean off the dirt. This is a relatively new build. The GPU I've had since I think 2016, 2017, and the rest I've had since 2018. Now, actually, I bought the PC setup 2017, new motherboard in 2018, so the motherboard is only a couple months old. But anyways, I go through here, and I'm going to speed this up, probably put it in double time. It's about 6 minutes of me cleaning PC, but I just want to get something to show you a little bit of the cleaning process for a computer. This is the same I use for used builds too. Whenever I get a new or something in off like Craigslist or eBay, I always take it out and aerosol it. I'm not going to take the GPU apart today and repaste it. I will in the future when I get some new paste, some different paste. But it's relatively new, so I don't think it's going to need anything at the moment, and the temperatures are fine still. But if it's used, you definitely want to go in there and blow everything out and take the heat sinks off, and you want to repaste it. And sometimes if it's a really old GPU, if you're kind of into the older stuff, you're going to want to get new thermal pads for the GPU. And sometimes you'll see those on the motherboard on the chipsets. The use of thermal pads, if they're not too bad, you can kind of stick them back on there, and usually they'll have enough adhesive to be reapplied. But yeah, so and I like to keep the plastic on the parts that I buy, like the GPU. It doesn't get hot enough where it's gonna cause any issues of having that on there, but it does keep it look like it does keep it clean. Keeps the dust and the dirt from actually being on the GPU itself. So always make sure to do that. And as you can see, some of these fans build up dirt on the back side of them, and it's hard to blow off once it gets caked on there. So in the future, I will have to go through and wipe these down with alcohol wipes or use some WD-40 and wipe that off. But as for now, this is what I do. This is the process. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.